This portable laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, or LIBS system, is a collaborative demonstration project between Avantis and Lumibird Laser. The system demonstrates the potential for combining Avantis OEM spectrometers with the Falcon OEM laser module to create a portable or handheld LIBS system. Key components include the Avispec Mini 4096 CL CMOS-based spectrometer and the Falcon 157 5 millijoule indium YAG laser. The demo control box allows fast deployment without coding, or download the DLL with your Avisoft installation and bypass the box to test your custom software interface. The system offers resolution up to 0.1 nanometers full width half max, covering 190 to 450 nanometers with low integration times and external trigger capability. The Falcon is an ultra-compact, diode-pumped, ND YAG pulsed 1.57 micrometer laser designed for battery operation and mobile applications. This example shows the differentiation of nearly identical aluminum alloys AL6063 and AL1100 based on a magnesium peak near 280 nanometers. Test drive this Avantis LIBS setup for feasibility testing or to begin advanced software development today. For more information about this configuration or other Avantis spectrometers for portable LIBS applications, visit our landing page avantisusa.com/portable LIBS demo.